Hi, I'm Brody Delkamp, District Sales Manager for Keystone Arcadia. Over the past 3 years, Americans have fallen in love with Arcadia's fresh spirit, innovative engineering, and modern approach to RV camping. For 2023, we're giving you even more to love with 2 all-new Arcadia Select models. Arcadia Selects are 2 budget-friendly fifth wheel models that are shorter and lighter, but with all the great style and features owners expect from the Arcadia. Let's have a look. Arcadia Select is now shipping to dealers across the US and Canada. For more information on these models, check out our website at www.keystonerv.com/Arcadia.